Hi, this is Amal and I'm here to explain you my fifth experiment in Unix lab on file processing using shell script. So this is my first question: to find the number of occurrence of a given word or character in a file using shell programming. So before moving to the program, let's see what are there in the contents of hello.txt file. So this is my hello.txt file and these are its contents. So now this is my program. So I'll be creating my menu as enter 1 for occurrence of a tree and enter 2 for occurrence of a character. I'll be reading a character, and through this I'll be using my case, like case $ch in. I have two cases, first for my word and second for my characters. So I'll be reading it as my file name, and then I'll be checking if this file name exists or not. If it doesn't exist, I will display it does not exist, like file not found, and if it exists, I then further proceed to grep command, grep -o, search for the word in the file and count the number of such lines using word count -l. Similarly I do this for character also. Now let's move on to the output. So I press 1. So now this time I give hello as my word to search from hello.txt file. It gives 2. Now moving to the second program. Find and replace a word or character in a file using shell programming. So again consider the same file, again using the same case statements and having two cases. Similarly proceeding with the same concept, like checking the file contains or not. So I'll be using -f file name, then I'll be using the set command, set -i as /word, and this is my replacing word /g, and in this the given the input file name. The file is not found, I'll be displaying it file not found, and I will terminate my case using the double semicolon. Similarly, to replace a character also, I'll be using the same commands. Now let's run the program. So this time I entered 2 and I give my character as u. To replace with I. hello.txt file. Now let's check out our output. As you can see here, wherever Unix was there, it's replaced by I. So now move on to the third question. Display the file information with header like inode number, permission, links, owner ID, group ID, size, month, date, time, file name for given file. This is my program. Again I will consider the same concept and check first whether the given file name exists or not. If it doesn't exist, I'll display the file doesn't exist, and if it does exist, I'll be using ls-li file name, and I'll be displaying my inode number, permissions using the cut -d for, and it cuts according to the delimiter, and using the -f I'll be displaying all my inode number, permission, links, and all the respective things. So again give hello.txt file. As you can see here, this is my respected output. Like inode number 1967640 is my inode number. This is the permissions: read, write, read. Links, there is only one link. Owner ID is my register number. Group ID is again same. Size is 59, and this is this year, this month, and today's date. This is the time I'm accessing it, and the last, this is the file. So now moving to the fourth question. To display the user information like username, terminal number, date, time, IP address for the given username. Also display the number of times the user logged in. This is the code, so I'll be using who am I, and I'll be storing it in C, and I'll be printing my username, terminal, date, and IP address using cut-d, and also who am I separated by pipe command. As you can see here, this is the pipe command, and I will be displaying it using -f 1, 2, 9, 10, and 11. 11 is for this calculating the IP address. So you can see here, this is my username as my register number, this is the terminal number, and this is today's date and time, and this is the IP address. Fifth question, display the login information from the file /etc/password, list the usernames, and display the login information like username, password, user ID, group ID, full name, directory, and shell name for the given username. This is a program. I take input as my hello.txt file and check whether it exists or not. If it does exist, I will go using ls command, ls-li file, and I will print my inode number, permissions, owner ID, group ID, size, month, date, time, and file name using ls-li, the file name, and using the pipe command I will using my cut-d. Like this one goes the input of this, the output of this goes to the input of this command. So it separates according to the delimiter and prints from 1 to 10, like the 10 different numbers are there. So -f gives the output of this 1, 2, and 3 to 10. Let's check the output. I give hello.txt file name as, so as you can see here, this is my file name and this is my inode number. Permissions as read, write. This is the only link I have created. Owner ID and group ID is same. Size is 59, month, date, this is the time, and again the file name is hello.txt. So that's all for fifth experiment. Thank you for watching my video.